Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Ubisoft Connect stuck on initializing. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open Task Manager and then go ahead and end task on Ubisoft if it is still open. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go to your Wi-Fi network setting, go to your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected with, go to DNS server assignment, click on edit, and it's going to look something like that on your screen. Go ahead and turn that to manual, turn on IPv4, prefer DNS, set it to 8.8.8.8, and then alternate DNS, set it to 8.8.4.4 and save that. Once you've done that, another thing you need to do is simply go ahead and open run exclamation app data exclamation, click on OK, and this is where you search for the Ubisoft folder, and if you find it, simply go ahead and delete it right over here. There's no usage of those cache folders. Those are something what affects it as well. And the last step you can do is simply go to command prompt and run as administrator and write netsh space winsock space reset. So once you've done that, restart your computer and then try launching it again and your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.